talking about cicadas. I said, I don't know what a cicada is good for.
Hey.
What purpose they have in use. He wants to go back to that old one.
Come here.
Would you kill that darn thing? That is so disgusting.
He's trying to fly.
But he doesn't want to give up his prey.
I want to catch it. I don't want to kill it. I feel that. I'm not afraid of these things. That's the problem, Cat.
Are you filming it?
Yeah. Anybody want to catch it in a jar?
No. I want it dead. It's in my yard.
I want to catch it in a jar.
Go get a jar.
Get a mason jar under the sink in the laundry room. All the way to the left. All the way to the left.
They're called Cicada Killer Wasps, by the way, and this is why.